you. Sorry, yeah.
What did you say?
Made with us or something like that. Made by you.
Made by you, made with us.
we just hang. Hi, I'm Amanda.
And I'm Meryl.
And we're the co-founders of Food52. And we'd like to introduce you to 52, our new line for kitchen, home, and life.
And 52 is a line that was created exclusively with you, the Food52 community.
Together, we're setting our sights on every room in the house.
And we're gonna remake everything in it.
We're focusing on the products that we use every day, like a cutting board, kitchen towels, mixing bowls, wooden spoons, that kind of thing. We're doing things differently.
We're putting you in the design chair.
We're looking to you for ideas on design details, features,
Functionality, all the things.
all the things that go into making these the very best products that they can be.
But this isn't just about making great products. It's about revolutionizing the way the things that we love and use every day come to life.
So welcome to 52, made by us and made with you.